this video, I'm going to show you one of the ways to get to your accommodation after landing at Boracay's airport, Caticlan Airport. This was an international direct flight into Caticlan. Alright, before anything else, make sure you fill out the Philippines eTravel form online. It only takes a few minutes and you will need to show it at the airport check-in counter along with your return ticket. It's mandatory, so don't skip this step. Also, check if you need a visa. Depending on your nationality, a visa might be required to enter the Philippines. Once you arrive at Caticlan Airport, things move pretty smoothly. First, you will need to show your eTravel QR code. Then, you will go through immigration for a passport stamp. After that, it's time to pick up your luggage. There's usually an airport staff member helping at about. Next, you will go through a luggage scan. They used to scan all check-in bags, but this time it seemed more like a random check. As soon as you step out of the terminal, you'll see booths offering transfer packages. These usually include a van ride to the port, a speedboat ticket, and a final transfer to your hotel or resort. This time, I'm going with private, just for a bit more comfort and ideally less waiting. Though to be honest, when it comes to the speedboat, it's not always quicker. You can choose between public or private transport. The steps are pretty much the same either way. The environmental fee, terminal fee, and speedboat fare are already included in the ticket. The van ride to Caticlan Jetty Port takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Some hotels offer transportation arrangements from the airport to where you're staying, either included or available at an extra cost, depending on the hotel. Don't forget to tip the porters if they help you with your luggage. The speedboat ride to Boracay takes about 5 to 10 minutes, not including the waiting time. You might not see much through the slightly misty windows. They are usually kept closed to prevent water splashes, but you'll definitely feel the breeze. For private transfers, once you arrive at the port, a final van will take you straight to accommodation. The drive depends on where you're staying, usually somewhere between 15 to 30 minutes. And it's another chance to ease into the island vibe before you even unpack. And just like that, we are here. Welcome to Boracay. The sun, the sand, and the breeze are all waiting.